5 lessons I learned the hard way by wasting many hours of building AI agents. Knowing these lessons can save you hours of time. The first lesson is context is everything, not the model. I wasted many months in just switching between different models like GPT, Gemini, but was still getting a bad response. Then I came to realize that having a good context in a good model can give you an exceptional result, but a bad context in a good model can give you a poor result, no matter how good the model is. So instead of focusing on the model, you should focus on the context. A good context with a bad model can give you a better output, even though the model is not that good. A bad model with a good context can give you far better output than a good model with a bad context. The second lesson is when your agent doesn't work, you blame the model, but the main problem is in your harness. Harness is something which is around the model. The context the model sees, the tools, the retry logic, the errors, everything that runs around the model is in harness. And a bad harness can give you a bad output, no matter how good the agent is. If you don't engineer the harness around it, you will get a very bad output. Building a demo is easy. Making an agent run in production reliably is a difficult task. It might work in your demo, but in production it will hit edge cases. Like sometimes your API doesn't work, sometimes your retry logic doesn't work, sometimes your tools give you a blank output. So it will take you multiple iterations to get a better system, and demos doesn't prove your concept that it would work in production. So production tells a different story, and demos are just good for personal projects. The fourth lesson is that your prompts need to be specific. A bad prompt make your existing system fail. So your prompt need to be specific about the role, the examples, and the preferred output that you want your agent to give you. A good prompt will always give you a good output, considering your harness is very good. The last one is memory management. Managing a memory for an agent is a very tedious task, and especially in production will give you errors. And making memory reliable for an AI agent requires you to work in layers, not just a single memory, but an AI agent have different layers of memory like system prompt, vector stores, and your persistent storage. And you need to decide what type of memory you need for what task. Comment AI agents and I'll send you the detailed link about how you can build reliable agents in production. And follow me for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next.